Hi, my name is Abraham Michael.
Hi, my name is Damandeep Singh Saini.
Hi, my name is Harpreet Singh Dillon.
Hi, my name is Cedric Hassani.
Today, in this video, we will be talking about 3D printing. Enjoy. Turning files to solid objects, making your dream come true. What is 3D printing? Creates three-dimensional objects from digital files. As you see in the following picture, the girl has the picture of the Eiffel Tower on her desktop, and then she uses that picture to be printed using the printer that is 3D on her desktop to finalize and have the Eiffel Tower printed, and as you see on her desk.
Let's talk about how 3D printing works. It uses powdered materials. It melts a strand of plastic. It's done layer by layer continuously. Now some pros and cons. First, the pros. It's faster to make prototype models. It also reduces the cost of making the models. Now here are some cons. It is expensive because it's a new technology. And it also limited object sizes, so it means that you cannot print big objects.
Now the methods of 3D printing. There are different methods of 3D printing, and each method uses its own way to create a 3D object. Now the first method is stereolithography. The next one is fused deposition modeling, and the other one is selective laser sintering. How each of the methods work. The first one is fused deposition modeling, also known as FDM. This method uses a sting of plastic, and it also uses heat to mold the plastic. The other method is selective laser sintering, also known as SLS. It uses a laser to fuse particles, and it also uses powder metal or plastic. And the last one is stereolithography. This method is the most accurate type of 3D printing method used nowadays. It uses liquid UV curable photopolymer.
Here is the process of 3D printing. Materialize presents 3D printing in action. Everything starts with an idea, your idea. Your idea becomes a computer file. The computer file is prepared for the machine. The computer file travels to the 3D printing machine. A layer of powder is spread out in the 3D printer. The temperature is raised. The laser hardens the powder and your model gets its shape. A new layer of powder is spread out, and the process is repeated again and again, many times. Your model is lifted out of the 3D printer and cleaned. Your model is finished by hand, and it's done. 3D printing in action.
3D printing and economy. 3D printing might have several negative effects on economy, such as causing a big drop in employment. Studies show that within 10 years, unemployment will reach 30%. So that means basically some companies that use many people to create one object, they would basically use only one person to manage a computer that basically will create a file, then printed through the 3D printer and their object is done. Examples of companies used 3D printing. Nike, we have phone case companies, we have the Irby car company, and also gun manufacturers companies. First 3D printed objects by big companies and to be the first printed in the world. Nike has created the soccer cleats, as you see in the picture, using 3D printing. This car, the Irby car, was the first printed car through 3D in the world. This gun was the first printed gun in the world, and as you see, it looks very real. This is the end of the presentation. This presentation was by Ibrahim Michael, Cedric Hassani, Harpreet, and Damandeep. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching this video about 3D printing, and we hope you enjoyed.